Hello, my name is CJ, and today's tutorial is going to be how to download TeamViewer Host. And this is not to be confused with TeamViewer Quick Support, which I have the link in the description on that tutorial. Host will stay on your computer and allow myself and others to be able to access myself and Jeff to be able to access your computer. If you have any issues, you'll be able to submit a support ticket, etc. So to access it, you go to your internet browser. And actually, you're going to be going to, instead of TeamViewer, you're going to be going to our SharePoint site. So as you can see, I have it popped up. I'll also include the link in the description. You go to lakecourtmedicalsupplies.sharepoint.com. And I'm already signed into my account, but I will actually sign out really quick just for demonstration purposes. It's going to sign me out. And let's go back to SharePoint. Okay, so you have to pick your Lakecourt email accounts. Let's do this. cjelliot@lakecourt.com. And your email password. If you forgot your password, you can just click Forgot My Password. And most of you have probably already set up the correct way on office.com for recovering your account. This will allow you to change your password without having to reach out to me. If you do need to change your password, just send me an email and I'll get it updated for you. Anyways, you sign in. And yes, I would like to stay signed in. Okay, so now you're going to be brought to Lakecourt's SharePoint homepage. From here, I put a link. If you scroll down to TeamViewer Host Download, if you click on that, it'll redirect you to this web page, and a download should automatically begin. If you does not, click Try Again here, and that should get the download to begin. If you're on an older computer, give it a minute. It does take a minute to fetch the program if you have an older computer. And now their download's complete. Click Open. You may not be able to see this pop up right now, but it says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Just hit yes. You do not need advanced settings here, so just click Next. It's for company commercial use. Accept the terms and conditions. And it'll begin installing. You can close out your TeamViewer session here and your SharePoint. Now in our background, the download is going, and actually it looks complete. As you can see, it's installed here. And you'll have this pop up as soon as it finishes. So the first one will be set up unintended access. This we are going to do. So you have your computer name, password, do a memorable password they usually use. And hit next. From there, you'll already have an ID assigned, so just hit finish. Okay, now you have a new unique ID and password. So this will be the screen that host is on. I'll close it out just to show you. It usually runs in the background. So if you click here, and on the icon, it'll pop it up again. But let's say it's not running. It'll still be here on your desktop, and worst case, you can search for it here. And if you run it, it'll open. Okay, cool. Yes, you don't show this dialog again. Hit OK. And now it's actually running. Now you can, if you want it to be a little quicker to access, you can drag it down here, and you can just click that. Or again, if you prefer, off your desktop, you can click this. Okay, now if you need help in a session, you can click Request Help, help me. In this case, I'm CJ Elliott, but let's say you're in customer service, they have an issue, and you're Lisa Stone. Sage showing error crystal lock file. As some of you may know, this happens occasionally, so just hit Request Support, and it generates a session code. And to show the result, I have an application that runs in the background on my computer. But basically, as soon as an issue occurs, I will, in my ticketing system, to see the issue pop up. If I go to my service queue, this was just an earlier test, so I can close that session. But you can see that Lisa Stone with the session code, what's the issue, description, Sage showing crystal lock file. I can then request to connect, and I can then get on Lisa's computer and fix her computer issue. Now this is how you install the TeamViewer host, and that is how you use it in the future. Now as soon as you're done, or let's say you changed your mind, I'm able to close sessions, but you can also say either okay if you're done, but let's say you change your mind. You just hit delete, and you're okay. And that is how to download and use TeamViewer host.